The New York City Housing Authority has been criticized regarding the housing maintenance for families in need. The New York Times reports leaky roofs and lead paint within the structures. Such complaints exemplified the issues that NYCHA's 400,000 tenants have had with their housing. Even students from York College who live in or visit NYCHA buildings have spoken about the problems they personally have experienced.
I would say that it is justified because out of experience, like I've been in the NYCHA house before, like I visited someone there, and the living conditions are terrible there. Like something needs to be done about like most of the houses.
And what did you experience there?
The elevators had urine in them. It had garbage. The buttons to buzz people in, some of them don't even work. So, yeah, it could be improved.
Residents feel neglected as their requests for repairs are ignored. It has come to the point that Mayor Bill de Blasio signed an agreement giving partial oversight on the authority's practices to the federal government. De Blasio refuses to give the federal government total control over the housing authority, a sentiment shared by other New Yorkers as 50 people consisting of activists, labor unions, and elected officials stood outside NYCHA headquarters to protest a total federal takeover. Meanwhile, residents of a local NYCHA apartment complex have also made attempts to improve the living conditions of their homes, as they explain their problems with tenants who leave their trash around. Neva Harper, president of a committee to clean up the trash from the apartment, gives her opinions on how she feels on the trash being left out in the building.
As a matter of fact, we're having a meeting on the 19th of September for someone to come out here to see what we can do about these dirty people, or if we can train them to be a little cleaner. Take care of this. This is where we live. If he could be anywhere else, I think he would be there. So I think they should take a little bit more care.
As NYCHA tenants attempt to clean up their apartments, questions remain on how to improve or change NYCHA's living conditions. Reporters ask students at York College for their opinions, which some students believe is a problem for NYCHA itself to handle.
They should probably go around and see what's wrong and then go about fixing it that way.
As NYCHA is now partly under federal oversight, U.S. Attorney Jeffrey S. Berman states that the city will address the problems that NYCHA has constantly battled, though this oversight does not come with additional funding. Despite this, NYCHA states that it will try to give the families cleaner, more livable homes. This is Tahim Thompson reporting for York College.